Hello, today we want to discuss about an AI agent. The purpose of this AI agent is we have the data in the Google Sheet which is scraped from Apify. So we want to validate those data and enrich those data and upload to the GHL for marketing and client purpose. So let's discuss about those node of this AI agent. So first of all, we have used the schedule trigger node so that the AI agent run every day at 7 a.m. and the second node is Google Sheet node. We have connected our Google Sheet with this node. So this is the credential we have connected here and bringing our Google Sheet data into in this AI agent server. So the next node is filter. We are filtering if the email is not empty and JSON phone number is empty. So if the phone number is already in the Google Sheet, we are not taking this, and if the email is not in the Google Sheet, we are taking this. So those two filter we are filtering here. Okay, then limit we have set 1000 limit, so every day we will push or work with 1000 data. So the next node is duplicate. So if we have duplicate and duplicate on this 1000 data we are bringing every day, it will remove those duplicate data and give me only the original data. Okay, then we are running the loop. When we are running the loop, we are getting one by one data so that we can take action one by one. So the next node is code node. We have coded here in JavaScript language. The code is working for, we have the data, like as you can see here, we are getting only the full name, but some place we need first name or last name. So we need to split the name so that we can get first name and last name. So sorry, we are doing this in this code. And the next node is HTTP request node. This node is validating the email so that we are getting the email from this Google Sheet. We are validating this email so that we can find out what email is valid and what is not. Okay, so after that we are checking if condition node, that if the email status is valid, then it will go to the next node, to node, or if the email is invalid or other status, I mean not valid, as you can see the status is equal to valid, then it will go to the 2, or else it will go to the false condition. If it is false, then uh, we are using the Google Sheet node again so that we can update the row here in the Google Sheet, and we will update the email status. Like as you can see, there is a status field. We are uploading error or what is validate or not, like as you can see, if I go down, scroll down, you will see that error. What is the error? That catch all email, unknown email, invalid email, So those are the email is not valid. So I am using the status is error, and the error is the invalid task. Okay, so the next node is waiting. uh, we are waiting for every loop 10 seconds, because if we hit at a time several hit, it will crash. So we are waiting every time we are waiting 10 seconds. So then we are going to the next data for getting the next data in the loop. Okay, so if the condition is valid, I mean email is valid, then it is going to the uh, two node. One is AI agent. This agent is doing research for me. It is connected with the chat GPT. So we are using the chat GPT node. As you can see, chat GPT-4o-mini. So it is helping me to research the data, like the client, company, how we are finding out how many employee here working, or it is a commercial, it has the commercial auto or not, and what is the NAICS code, and what is the annual revenue of their company, and the latest news like those. So the AI agent will research on this. We have prompt, give the prompt here to the agent, AI agent, and it will find out the value of those data. So after that, after that we have coded here in the code node, so that we can get whatever we are getting from the AI agent, like the chat GPT. We will convert it into the JSON file. So this code is working like that. Okay, so next node is going to the merge. Okay, so one node is going from the if condition is going to the second if condition. It is checking that if the phone number is empty or not. So again it is checking that if the phone number empty is empty, then it will go to the true, or it will go to the false. So if not empty, then it is going to the waiting and go to the next loop. But we already filter this, so it is not happening here. Mostly it is going to this true node. So this true node is, if the email is empty, so it will going to the true node, that is this switch case. So we are using this, that if phone number is empty, then we are checking that email is also empty, or only the phone number is empty. So we are not working for the email, because we are already filtering here that email is not empty. We are taking only the email in the email has in the uh, Google Sheet. So we are not working on this. We will work only the phone number is empty. So phone number, if the phone number is empty, then we are using the next node is HTTP request node, so that we can find out the phone number by the lead magic service. We have the we are using the lead magic API, so that we can find out the phone number of this client, for this the client. And it is taking some information like his LinkedIn URL and the email of this client. So with those two information, lead magic will find out the phone number of this person. Okay, so it is going to the merge. And also if the condition is true, then it is taking the edit field node, because we want to take all the information we are getting from the Google Sheet. So we are just rearrange those field in this node, so that we can get all the data from this node. Okay, so it is also merging here, so three of all. When it is merging, we are getting the data, a finalized data. So this finalized data is pushing in the JSL node by helping HTTP node. We are using the API of GHL, post contact upload API, and it's helping us to upload the data into the GHL. As you can see, we have using this JSON format for uploading the data into the GHL. Okay, so after that, here is also two condition, that if the uploading is success, then it is going to the next node, is the Google Sheet update. Google Sheet is updating that, okay, so it is uploaded, then it is done. But if there is error something we get from the GHL, then we are uploading also in the same Google Sheet, that it's getting error, and what is the error message we are saving in the Google Sheet, like the as you can see here. As you can see, this is the done, because we successfully upload in the GHL. But but uh, but uh, okay, so here, let me show you. Okay, so here we are getting the error, like also we have saved the error message, that we cannot allow the duplicate contact in the GHL of this location. So this is the error message. So like this. Okay, so let's see how it's working. And oh, okay, so now the next node is waiting. This is working like the first one. So it will work for the 10 second, and it will go to the next loop for getting the next data. So this is all, and let's see how it's working. So if I execute it, it always execute in 7 a.m., but I can manually execute this by this button. So I'm executing, clicking by this, clicking this. Okay, so okay, so as you can see that we have the pending data here, and it will go to the upload in the AI agent, and after validating all the process, it is giving the status that unknown email. So the email is not valid, that's why it is going to the error and go to the if I see the next data, it is pending, and again it is error, because it is the catch-all email. So we are validating the email from the AI agent, and automatically we are getting the status here. And also again it is getting error. So that's so there like that we are validating those data and enriching the phone number and uploading to the GHL. Okay, so that's it.